it's Thursday morning now. It's only 7:43. I'm out nice and early. Actually going, I just went and looked for some boxes, but I didn't find any at some of the retail stores. You know, they just throw them out in the back. But I didn't find any, so I'm actually going to pick up these 4x4x4 boxes that someone's given away, all kind of still wrapped in a package down in Providence. So I'm heading there, and then I'm also going to another place in Providence to meet this guy that's giving me an Alesis data disc. Doesn't have the power cord, but he's just giving it away. Alesis is here in Rhode Island somewhere. I probably can find a power cord from them and see if they'll get me one. And then, I mean, without the power cord, it's still selling on eBay for around 40-50 bucks. I've been finding a lot of these free deals around on Facebook Marketplace, people just looking to get rid of stuff, so I'm going to be looking on there a lot more. I also have 2, maybe 3 yard sales to hit today. Getting on the road early, trying to get stuff done. I got a couple of orders so far that have to go out, and my studio is becoming more of an eBay store than a studio at this point. So that's the way things are going, and I'm pretty happy about that. I'm doing really well for just starting this thing, and I'm already learning what to do and what not to do. So okay, so I just left the estate sale. I was unable to use the camera because they didn't really want videotaping in there, which is fine. I made out really well. They were just looking to get rid of stuff. I think I spent a total of $17. And by calculation, looking stuff up on eBay, the stuff I got, I could probably clear for around 100 bucks. A couple of small clocks, like tabletop clocks. One was a Linden, and it was a really nice looking clock. It was turning. When I get home, I'll show you everything. Then I got this other small one. Don't remember the name on it. I got this old stereo cassette something. It didn't look like a cassette player. I'm not sure what it really was, but it was by Realistic, and the comps on it were around 20 bucks on eBay. She gave me a whole box. I got a whole box of stuff. I found like 3 things in the garage that were still in the package. Little small things. I don't even know what they were, but they were selling on average on eBay for like $10 to $15. And I got all 3 of those for $2. They were old too. The packaging still in the package, but the packages were, you know, kind of faded. The plastic was faded. I'm trying to think of. Oh, I got this really cool Indiana Pacers hickory sweatshirt, which I've never seen before. It's gray, and it says Hickory. You know, like the movie Hoosiers. It says Hickory across the front in red letters, and it has Indiana Pacers patch on the one of the arms. That got thrown in. I mean, I got a couple of CDs, I believe, an in-package cassette tape, which I'm just gonna collect a bunch of those unopened ones and just sell them as a lot eventually. But I was expecting to pay a lot more for the stuff at this, so this was the first day. Usually they wait till the last day before they start blowing out, you know, the pricing. So I was pretty happy when the lady said, I'll give you all that stuff right there for $5. I said, I'll take it. And then I asked her about the Linden clock, and she said 10 for that. I said, all right, you gave me a good deal on the other stuff, so I'm still making out well. And then when I went out to the garage again, I paid $2 for the 3 new and packaged things, which I have to really look at them. I'm not sure what they were. But right now I'm heading to what I think is another yard sale in Johnston. The information was kind of, well, put it this way, there was barely any information. It was listed as today. It said between 10 and 2, but then it said called, everything's out on the lawn or whatever, or in the yard, but then it says call to make sure we're home, but there's no phone number there. So it's kind of on my way home, so I'm gonna take a ride over and see what's going on with that. Okay, I'm back in the studio. I did go to that second yard sale, but it hadn't really started yet, and the lady kind of showed me the stuff that she was going to be putting out, and there was really nothing that I could list on eBay. It was all a lot of old Tupperware and plates and glasses, so I said thank you and I moved on. So first I got this Alesis data disc. for free. Doesn't have the power cable. Guy's not sure if it works, but usually these Alesis things last forever. So I'm gonna see if I can find a power cable, like if Alesis has one hanging around that they can just give me. If not, I'll just put this on eBay as is, which I'm not sure. A 3-piece Hobby F-clamp set with magnetic. Oh, this is for if you're building a model planes or whatever. Clamps, that's cool. So this, which is a portable precision metal detector, planer and jointer saver, new in package. And then this right here, plastic laminate J roller, which is, so all three of these things I got for $2, and I think I can get around probably 20, at least 20 out of them on eBay. DVDs, Jekyll and Hyde the musical, CDs actually, and Grease, and also picked up unopened cassette tape here, blank cassette tape. So I'm gonna probably look for a bunch of those cassette tapes and just put them all together once I get a complete, you know, batch of 10 or so. All right, so then I got this, I thought it was really cool, this hickory sweatshirt with a zipper there, by 47, the brand 47, extra large, and on the sleeve, Indiana Pacers. I don't know what this is worth, or if it's even worth anything. It's actually kind of cool. I like it. And if it doesn't sell, maybe I'll just keep it. But it's going to go on eBay. I'll do some research on that. I also grabbed this Hotronix foot warmer electronic heating system. I'm not really sure. It was in the box still. It wasn't brand new, but like I said, this whole box, everything here was $17, so I took a chance on that. This is that realistic stereo cassette. It says cassette 8 adapter. Oh, so this must be, oh, this, I'm pretty sure this goes, if you have an 8-track player, this goes into the 8-track player, and then you can play it cassettes through that. That's kind of cool. That's really cool. These are selling on eBay around 20 bucks. All right, so here's one of the clocks. It's a Seth Thomas, I can't talk today, Seth Thomas Quartz, model 243 Charm. I don't know if it works. Open the door, it's got a battery in it, so we're gonna have to test it. I saw these selling on eBay right around $8 to $12. Memorial Edition Holy Bible Illustrated, New Catholic version, in memory. I don't know what year this is. American Legion, Natick, Rhode Island. I don't know what year this is, but it was in decent condition, but some of the pages, like you can see, they're kind of folded up. There was only a few of them. For the most part, it was in good shape. Let's see if there's a year on it. 1968. I think that's going to be first published in 1609. So what edition is it? Here we go. Copyright 1961. So this looks like a 1961 Bible. Nice. I also grabbed a couple, Volume 1 and Volume 2, the Funk and Wagnall Standard Desk Dictionary. Just thought it was kind of cool. It was in great shape. Let's see what year. This copyright 1964. This is probably in 1984. Since that's the last copyright on here. So these are on eBay for like 12 to 15 bucks, I think. And then I got this. So this is that Linden clock that I paid 10 bucks for, and I think the only reason I paid 10 bucks is that I got all the other stuff pretty cheap, 5 bucks. Everything else was 5 bucks. Well, 7 if you count those 3 things I got in the garage. But it says made in Germany, and it's spinning. It's still it's moving. Let me just stop this and make sure it's moving. It is moving. It's working. This was sitting on an old TV in one of the rooms, so I grabbed that. And probably can get about 20 bucks out of it on eBay. So pretty happy. I think that's going to be it for the yard sales. There's one at 1 o'clock around the Providence area that they're setting up. They're having like a preview sale. They're setting up and putting things out. I'm going to see what I'm doing around that time. I have a lot of stuff to list here and a lot of organizing to do in the studio. But if I can get there, I might go check that out. If not, tomorrow's Friday, and there really wasn't a lot of yard sales listed yet for Friday, which is fine because I have a ton of work to do in here. Also, let's go through this now. I sold a couple more things. There's an Adidas hat that I sold. It's probably in here. Let's get this guy out of, yeah, it's right on the bottom, obviously. So this Adidas hat, it was part of my collection, so I've had it for a couple of years, and it sold for $9.99 plus shipping. This Rush in Rio DVD, it sold for $8.99 free shipping, but I can mail that probably medium mail, and it's not going to cost that much. I paid $1 for that. All right, so the remote controls. Remember I bought this pack of 6 remote controls for $1. So I believe it's this one, yeah. So this one sold for $14.99 plus shipping. Don't throw your remotes away. Put them on eBay. So let's hope for some more sales. I just got contacted by 1 or 2 people on Facebook. Maybe I'll be picking something else up today. I'm not sure. But until then, this might be the end of the video. I'm not sure. It all depends on if I go to pick some stuff up. The video is not done. I did go back out. Actually hit 2 or 3 different places. So let's just get right to it because I got a lot more stuff to do. All right. First things first. I got this World of Warcraft computer game. Actually, I'll show you the 3. I got 3 PC games. World of Warcraft. I've never heard of it. This one's still in the packaging, in the plastic. I'll probably put those up as a lot for like, I don't know, $5-6. I got this Garmin Nuvi 1200, I believe. I don't know if it works. There's no power. I guess I could find the charger for it right there. I might have one. This was part of a package deal along with those video games for $15, and I'll show you what else I got. 2 Harry Potter DVDs still in the wrapping, so these will go on as a... I got this Adobe Premiere and Photoshop Elements. This was part of the package. I could probably get maybe $20 for this. Everything's still in the box. I also got this USA Roots little mini backpack, kind of cool, from the 2004 games. I think, I can't remember. I've seen this somewhere before, but I don't remember. But I'll probably put it on eBay for like, I don't know, $9.99 or so, $10. Also, I got this Texas Instruments calculator. Got to see if it works, but these are going on eBay for like $12. I got this Batman Arkham Origins. I believe this is like an art book for the video game. Yeah. I'm not really finding this anywhere on eBay, but I'll probably put it up there for like $9.99 or even like $12.99 or $14.99 in best offer. And then I got this cool kind of retro dolphin light. It does work. The lady plugged it in. That was part of the $15 buy. That was it there. Then I stopped and there was someone giving away stuff. So I got this Seth Thomas clock here. I don't think it works. I got to try another battery because the battery that's in it is not working. But if not, I can sell it for parts. Probably get about $10-12 out of it. Then I got this Nativity snow globe. And I know people like snow globes. They sell all the time on eBay. I might either put this up by itself or just hold on to it and wait till I find more of the same theme snow globes and kind of put them up as a lot. So those were free. So whatever money I make off of that. Then I went to this other yard sale and I just got a bunch of, there's a Sims 3 game here and a bunch of DVDs and movies, VHS, all in the package. So all of this cost me, I think it was $8 for all of this, and I'll probably end up making probably get rid of all of these for around $25 if I do it right. Then I went to this place called The Find on Route 6. And I picked up 2 of these Patio Shield mosquito protection. I want to say they were $7 each. They haven't been opened yet, but on eBay they're going anywhere from 15 to 20 each. So I got 2 of them. This vintage Bob Allen shooting jacket, and it had been marked down to $21. It's a size 38, made in Des Moines, Iowa, and it's in pretty good condition. And I saw one of these sell on eBay for $80, and there was another one that went for I think around $50. So it wasn't as big of a haul this afternoon as I had this morning, but I think I'll do okay. All, you know, low price. The most I spent was $21 on the jacket, but I should at least double that, I would think. So this is now the end of the video. Thanks for your support. Please share these videos if you like them. And tomorrow's Friday, so not many, surprisingly, there's not many yard sales going on in Rhode Island tomorrow and Friday, but I have at least one thing to pick up, and there's maybe 2 or 3 different yard sales that I can hit. And then Saturday, there's probably at least 10 that I can hopefully go to. I don't know if I'll be able to get to them all, but I'll see what I can do about filming. Again, thank you, and that's the end of this one. Bye.